On January 12, 2023, 39-year-old Jimmy Gonzalez carjacked a 2004 Dodge Durango from Hartford. While driving the stolen Durango in Farmington, Shoemaker Gonzalez struck the blade of a DOT snowplow and lost control of the Durango. The vehicle ended up crashing into a fence and rock wall at the Westwood 2 condominium complex. Here's where the video picks up and how it all happened. Look at all that snow. Gotta be careful running around those snowy areas.
Move!
The officer was now able to locate the suspect after all that running.
Steal the cop car! Steal it!
Did he really just steal the police vehicle?
Please!
Shots were fired, but it seems like the suspect managed to escape without injury for now.
Crash to the cruiser! From map northbound! Shots fired!
Let's see how this happened from another body cam angle.
I got lethal. Oh shit! Personally, he's got a cop car. Don't do it! I'm gonna... Get out of the park! Get out of the park! Go! To the cop car! To the cop car! Freeze! Freeze! Stop!
And here's a view from a different patrol car's dash cam.
First, clear the channel. Don't say anything. Get up north patrol.
I got lethal. Oh shit! Personally, he's got a cop car. Don't do it! Oh, I'm gonna... Get out of the park! Get out of the park! Steal the cop car! Steal the cop car! Freeze! 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 Shots fired! Shots fired!
Are the officers going to continue the chase on foot? I wonder how that goes. Now let's see a longer version of this chase from the dash cam of the stolen police cruiser.
And not possibly his hand. First, clear the channel. Don't say anything. Get up north patrol.
We can see the officers here that arrived earlier from different locations.
Oh shit! Personally, he's got a cop car.
Got a cop car.
Oh, I'm gonna... Get out the park! Get out the park! Steal the cop car! Steal the cop car! Freeze! Freeze! Freeze!
This is the part where the suspect was speeding ahead when officers shot at him.
Slow car 257. Headed northbound on your own. High speed. Six behind him. You're on with me? 17 units to the drive.
Check out how traffic doesn't even bother him. He's definitely got those police escape skills in his blood.
Down there? 52. Approaching Route 6. Route 6, you did have his life out of him. He's approaching Route 6. He's way ahead of me right now.
Speeding along this slippery, snowy highway? What could ever go wrong?
Suspect possibly hit him once or twice on the... Down Brook Street. Southbound down Brook. Yeah, we need to put the garage for crimes. Southbound on Brook. If that's not someone down there, you activated the lights. Don't you guys go to an event one or something like that? You can hear the radio.
Everything clear?
Seems like he's heading towards that diner.
Caution tape down here as well.
Well, he definitely did.